For number 9, before we start, there's actually a couple things I needed to change. For the first side, it says AC is equal to 15x plus 7. I changed that to an AB. And then for AC, where it says 23, actually make that a 23x. So what we have to do is find x and find all 3 given sides. First thing I would do is draw the triangle. So I have a triangle already drawn here. ABC are the sides. So I'm going to label A in the left-hand corner, and I'm going to choose clockwise. So B is here and C. And then we also have information that angle C is congruent to angle B. Since we have 2 congruent angles, we know this is actually an isosceles triangle. And you can find the 2 congruent sides by adding tick marks to the angles and just drawing arrows. They point to the 2 congruent sides. So the 2 congruent sides here are AB and then AC. So AB is equal to AC. Therefore, I can actually create an equation from this to solve for x. So AB was 15x plus 7, and that's equal to AC, which is 23x minus 17. So from here to solve, I'm going to choose to move the x's together first. So I'm actually going to subtract 15x and move the x's to the right. So subtract 15x from both sides. On the left side, you're left with 7, and on the right side, you're left with 8x minus 17. From here, we move the constants to the opposite side, so add 17 to both sides. So on the left side, I have 24, and the right side, I'm left with 8x. One last step to isolate the x, divide both sides by 8, so we get x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. If we had to find the side length of AB and AC, those should be exactly the same, so I could choose which side I want to plug it into, AB or AC. I'm actually going to choose to plug it in for AB. So AB is equal to, I'm going to do it here in the left-hand corner. AB is equal to 15x plus 7. So if I plug in 3 for x, I would have 15 times 3, which is 45, plus 7, which is 52. So if AB was 52, then AC has to also be 52 because they were the same. So the last side we need to find is BC. So BC, and I'm actually going to do that in this corner here. BC was equal to 2x plus 5. So if I plug in 3 for x, I would have 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 5, which is 11.